Okay everyone, welcome back to CBD Yoga and Fitness. My name is Mike and thank you all so much for joining me today for this sweaty yoga workout. So continuing on with our beginner series, this is going to be an awesome little workout you can do to get a nice sweat going. We're going to be incorporating some vinyasa style flow along with some isometric exercises as well. So when you're ready, roll your mat, grab some water, and let's get started. Okay everyone, so let's begin coming to the top of our mat, standing. Feet can be together or hip-width distance apart. And we're going to start by doing a couple of sun salutations. But first, let's just come back to our breath, fully arriving in this moment, creating this space for ourselves. When you're ready, let's inhale, bring our hands up overhead. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, plant the hands, step it back to plank. Lower knees, chest, chin to the mat. Hips stay elevated. Elbows hug into the body. Inhale, baby cobra. Gaze down, no wrinkles in the neck. Exhale, step it back to downward facing dog. Keep your fingers spread wide here. Hands are actively pushing into the mat. Feel free to pedal your feet here as well. Really waking up the backs of the legs. Stretching out the hamstrings and the calves. Then on your next inhale, come up on the tippy toes. Exhale, bend the knees, look forward, step, hop, or float to the top. Inhale, halfway. Exhale, fold. Inhale, rise. Exhale, hands through heart and by your sides. Let's do that one more time. Here we go. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, fold. Inhale, halfway. Exhale, plant the hands, step it back to plank, lower knees, chest, chin to the mat, elbows hug in. Inhale, baby cobra. Exhale, downward facing dog again. Pedal out those feet. Fingers are spread wide, coming back to your breath. And now from here, let's inhale, bring the right leg up towards the sky. Exhale, step the right foot up between the hands. Now from here, let's inhale, come up into a nice high lunge. So trying to keep the right knee over right ankle and the hips in one line. Hands can come up overhead, keep that core slightly engaged. Let's take 5 breaths here. On your next exhale, let's plant the hands, step it back to downward facing dog. Then on your next inhale, let's lift our left leg up towards the sky. Exhale, bend the left knee, step the left foot up between the hands. Again, inhale, rise up into a high lunge. Left knee over left ankle, hips in one line. Arms up overhead, core engaged, breathe. We'll take 5 breaths here. On your next exhale, plant the hands, step it back to downward facing dog. Great job, everyone. From here, let's inhale, lift our right leg up again. Exhale, bend the right knee, step the right foot up between our hands. And now this time, let's pivot our left foot 90 degrees, air guitar the left arm up. Coming into a nice warrior 2. Again, right knee over right ankle and right heel in line with the left arch. Arms can come to a T. Stay here, come back to your breath. Take 5 breaths here. Building strength. Embrace the burn. Then on your next inhale, let's come into a peaceful warrior. And now from here, let's straighten the right leg. Come back up. Now from here, let's inhale, shift forward towards our right foot. Exhale, shift down, coming into a triangle pose. If you have a block here, you can rest your right hand on the block. Keep that core engaged here. And we'll stay here for 5 breaths. Gaze can be up or down. Your next exhale, bend that right knee, come back to warrior 2. Inhale, peaceful warrior. Exhale, cartwheel the hands down. Step it back to downward facing dog. Great job, you guys. Let's take it over to the other side. Inhale, bring the left leg up towards the sky. Exhale, bend the left knee, step the left foot up in between the hands. Pivot the right foot 90 degrees. Air guitar the right arm up, coming into warrior 2. Left knee over left ankle, left heel in line with the right arch. Arms to a T, breathe. Take 5 breaths here. And on your next inhale, come into a peaceful warrior. Exhale, straighten that left leg. Inhale, shift forward towards that left foot. Then exhale, bring the left arm down. Coming into a triangle. Keep that core engaged. Taking 5 breaths here. Next exhale, bend the left knee, come back to warrior 2. Inhale, peaceful warrior. Exhale, cartwheel the hands down. Step it back to downward facing dog. On your next inhale, come up onto the tippy toes. Exhale, bend the knees, look forward. Step, hop, or float to the top. Inhale, halfway. Exhale, fold. Inhale, rise. Exhale, hands through heart, by your sides. Awesome job, everyone. So from here, let's do 2 more sun salutations. Inhale, hands up. Exhale, fold. Inhale, halfway. Exhale, plant the hands, step it back to plank. Lower knees, chest, chin to the mat. Elbows hug in. Inhale, baby cobra. Exhale, downward facing dog. Breathe. Now from here, let's inhale, come up on the tippy toes. Exhale, bend the knees, look forward, step, hop, or float to the top. Inhale, halfway. Exhale, fold. Inhale, rise. Exhale, hands through heart and by your sides. Let's do that 1 more time. Inhale, hands up. Exhale, fold. Inhale, halfway. Exhale, plant the hands, step it back to plank, lower knees, chest, chin to the mat. Inhale, baby cobra. Exhale, downward facing dog, breathe. Now from here, let's shift forward, coming into a high plank. Again, keeping those fingers spread wide, hands underneath the shoulders. And we'll hold here for 30 seconds. Nice isometric exercise. Make sure to breathe. Keep that core engaged. Halfway. Feel that shake in your body, embrace it. Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale, release. Drop the knees down. Great job, everyone. From here, let's make our way onto our back. And we'll finish up this short workout with 30 seconds of bicycles. So hands can go behind the head here. Knees and legs are parallel with the mat. And from here, let's bring the right elbow to the left knee and then simply alternate back and forth. We got 30 seconds. Here we go. Go as fast, as slow as you like. Halfway. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Release. Great job, everyone. From here, let's rock up into a nice seated position of your choice. From here, let's bring the hands together at our heart. Thank you all so much for joining me today for this short, sweaty yoga workout. If you like this video, be sure to like and subscribe below, as well as if you would like to see the other videos in this beginner series, I will include them up in the corner here as well as down below as well. And with that being said, let's bring our hands together at our third eye. The light in me honors the light in all of you. I hope you all have beautiful days. Thank you so much. Namaste.